Welcome to my channel. I'm very excited for today's video. As you can see from the title, it's an unboxing, reviewing and giveaway video, and I'm going to give the giveaway information at the end. Now I'm going to start with unboxing. Here you can see I've already cut it, so I'm going to just open. And also want to thank Yarn Story for sending me the hook set. These are light up hooks, and I can see here 5, yes, 5 of them. So let's show you one by one. I've taken them out of the box, and here you can see there are 3 small in different colors, and I've got 2 of this green big one, and I'm going to show you one of this and one of the small one. So here I've already opened, and when you take the protective film off, you find this leaflet explaining everything, and the case is really cute and well made. So once you open, there are 9 crochet hooks, size from 2.5 to 6.5. They are color coded, so all different colors. Let's take one of these out and show you the details. So this one is 4mm, and it got the letter as well, and it got this protective film which you need to take off, then it will start working. You can just pull it out, and then you can switch it on and off. And it got this anti-slip silicone handle. It's really comfortable and lightweight as well. So now I'll be doing a demo as well, showing you while I'm working with it. You can buy these crochet hooks online in their website, so Yarn Story website, and also in Amazon you can find. So I'm gonna put the link in the description box. You can check it out, and don't forget to check it out. So I think these are really great as a gift as well. So if you're looking for gift, these are really perfect. You can choose between the colors, small or big. So I'm gonna open the red one. And you can see there are 6 of them, and the sizes start from 4mm to 6.5. So you've got the smallest one is 4 and the biggest one is 6.5, and they are also color coded. They got letters and numbers, got the batteries in them, and they are really cute, perfect for gift. Oh, this got also the light, the batteries. So you've got a battery set in them. So let me check if they got batteries in them. Yeah, they got. So these are extras, and so now let me show you the demo. So here I've got the 3mm hook and this dark purple yarn. So I've got this piece of work which I'm going to now continue and see how does it work. So switch it on, chain 3, turn the work, and I'm going to do some double crochet. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to dim the light and see how does it work in a dim light. Got my light dimmed now. You can see it's dark here, so I'm going to switch the light on and show you how does it work. So I can see perfectly where I'm working. You can see So here I've got a bigger hook. This is a 5mm hook and a thicker yarn. So let me show you with this thick yarn. So I'm going to do a slip knot and work some chains, and then let me work some single crochet and see. You don't need light at all while working with this. You can see everything perfectly, especially while you're inserting. You can see it may not be clear in the video, but they actually work great. After working with them, my final thought is they are really bright, so you can work in absolute darkness as well. You'll see absolutely fine, and they are really bright. Yeah, you'll find the link in the description box, so don't forget to check them out. And now I'm going to give the information regarding the giveaway. To enter the giveaway, you'll need to subscribe to my channel and comment below yarn story. So comment yarn story, and also you'll need to follow me on Instagram or my Facebook page. So you need to like my Facebook page or follow me on Instagram. One of these two is okay, and you'll be entered. So that's it. It's really simple. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.